It's Friday, I'm running late. What else is new? Gonna work on a new song today with Trav. Do some kind of final studio stuff on these other songs we already recorded. The grind never stops. I could be running like fucking an hour late and I would still stop. Smells so good. Ooh!
We do this time.
Venti, big day today. Trav shirt. Ooh! I love the shirt, bro. Yo, I bought this hard case. I think it'd be so dope. You know, it's fuzzy in there. Look at the fucking moisture on that. This car's glistening. It's probably really good for it, eh? Ooh, strawberry cowboy. Yeah! Bark, bark. Yo, you're so cute, Bubba.
$10 to get gourmet style.
$10, man. What the fuck?
Okay, so I guess I'll just play through it. Yeah, it's a new song. The first time ever playing it. The song's called Scorpio Aries.
Last little bit. Sweet as the fuck.
The song's called Shit Movie. I can't stop picturing you. Tired already. The song's called Scorpio Aries.
Intense taste. Pizza. Ooh, yeah.
That
The
one note is
secret.
kill me, right?
Anything to make it happen.
That's what it is, man.